teaspoon, guys. The wooden teaspoon there to your table. Yeah, that teaspoon will be going to use in all of the. Ito yung ano kasi. Yeah. Can I see your teaspoon, guys? Can you raise your teaspoon? You're going to use that. We're going to use that teaspoon in all of the ingredients we're going to put into our cheeseburger. So come on guys, let's start by singing.
Ready na kayo, Kitty Crew? Let's go!
Okay, the first one is the top bun, guys. The top bun is, yeah, that one. Yung medyo round. Yeah, this one, guys. Reminder, or please listen up. All of the ingredients will be put into the top bun. Okay, not at the bottom bun. Okay, let's start the first ingredient. First is mustard. Why make it bright?
The yellow one. The yellow one.
Yeah,
Mustard.
flip it.
Put the on top of the
Okay. I'm giving you 10 seconds to put your mustard into your top bun. Timer starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7. Mustard white, make it bright. So guys, if you want to spread it, you need if you want to spread it, you can spread it into the top bun. Wow, very good. Very good, princess. Very good, James. Very good, Ethan. If you don't want mustard, don't put mustard. Okay, I think you are. That would be your meal, huh? It's already, if you don't want it, you also don't put the pickles. Okay, last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Wow, go. Are you done, Joe? Oh, that's sweet. Are you done? Are you done, Ethan? Okay, go. If you're done, raise your hand. Two hands. Oh. Ethan for the next. Okay, next is what's up, ketchup, squeeze, come on. Let's wait for your teaspoon. Oh, not that one. That's already dirty. Let's wait for Ate Rizal. Ate Rizal is getting a teaspoon. Hi guys, if you are not comfortable with the gloves, you can remove it. Yeah, kung hindi kayo comfortable. Same with the... there's that teaspoon. Get that. Okay, go. Put the ketchup on. Maybe 15 seconds.
Ketchup.
15.
Ketchup.
14. Very good, princess. 13. Into the same bun. 12. 11. Oh, Tyra. Very good, Tyra. Wow, very good, Ethan. Yeah, sure. Yes. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Are you done? Okay, next. Stop. Never stop.
Pickle pop.
If you don't want pickles, don't put it into your cheeseburger. No, that is an onion. This is the pickles, guys. Okay, come on. 5 seconds only for the pickles. 5. Done? Hands up if you're done. Okay, next. Get those eyes twinkling for the onion rings. Okay, you can tawag yung tak-tak the onion rings there. Yeah, sure, if you want onions. Yeah. You can also use your teaspoon if you want to. That's cheese, Tyra. That's sliced cheese. Are you done with the onion? Oh, very good. Oh, very good. Your cheeseburger, guys, looks so delicious. Can you have a bite? Wow, you guys good at making cheeseburger. Done? Okay, hands up.
Hands up.
Next. Say cheese, pretty please, guys. Put the cheese into the top one again. Cheese into the top one. Okay, hands up, guys. Next. The party, guys. Put that into the top one, guys. Very good. Very good. We're almost done. Okay, next. Bottom band, now we're done. Don't flip your cheeseburger. Okay, Vibe Squad, if you're looking at Princess Cheeseburger, dapat ganito yung itsura ng inyong cheeseburger. The first is, dapat nasa center. The second is, dapat nakabaliktad. Okay, first. First is, move your cheeseburger into the center of your wrapper. Very good. Remove the teaspoon. Very good. Give your compliments to Ate Giselle. I will be teaching you how to wrap the cheeseburger, guys. Oh wait, we're going to wrap first. Yeah, you've made a yummy cheeseburger. Let's wait. Okay, so it's about time for rubbing it, guys. I will be first instructing you how to do it with Ate Princess. Okay, follow us, guys. First step is get this. Yeah, this one you need to put it into the bottom bun. Very good. Follow Princess, guys. Follow. Yeah, that one, Ethan. Very good. And follow Ate Princess. Hold it still. Yeah, hold nyo lang. And then next, grab the another one. Yung design. Yan, very good. Yan, very good, Princess. Okay, and then hold it again. Very good, Ethan. Dapat masikip. Okay, next is to fold this side. Ayan, go. Next, ulit. Very good. Yeah, we're going to flip the side. Oh wow, very good. Yeah. We're going to flip again. Wow, that's your cheeseburger. Can I see your cheeseburger, guys? Very good, very good, very good. Can you please show it to the camera? Okay, Vibes Squad, look at the camera. One, show your cheeseburger on the camera. One, move here. One, two, three, smile. Okay, parents, pwede nyo na po picture yung mga cheeseburger nila.